This vlog's a little bit of a shorter one. Headed out with Latrice to Ojai, check out a waterfall. Lovely to get out into nature and just feel that energy.
What do you have there?
These are Cheetos, extra flaming hot.
Extra.
You like them?
Stop.
Who am I kidding? You were the one that told me about them.
Exactly.
Gonna fall now? It's official, we're in nature. Hey, trying to hide. Miss thing. Ojai. Look!
Rose Valley.
Rose Valley. Here we are at the Rose Valley Waterfall. Pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Shit. Full contrasty vibe. Oof. Insane.
It's a little bit of frankincense.
Frankincense. Amber. Here we are at the Deer Lodge. Ojai. Got my combo plate. Got my beer, local beer. Got me some tri-tip, got me some ribs, a little mac and cheese on the back of Keith. Good times.
Alright, little Bourdain.
Little Bourdain here. I've been watching a bunch of Bourdain lately. Mac and cheese solid. Coleslaw solid. Let's see. Tender. Nice little bit of smoke ring, they call that.
Okay.
Alright, I see you, Deer Lodge. Second thoughts. It's not that good. It's kind of average barbecue. Not that tender. It's kind of cold. I linked up with my friend Chase. She has a little 5/8 epoxy fish that I wanted to try. I gave it a shot. Honestly, it's not the board for me, but it's just awesome just to try out as many boards as you can, and then you get a better understanding about where your surfing's at. So I would encourage you guys to get out there, try as many boards as you can, try your friends' boards, give your friends your boards to try. What's up, Chase? Hi.
Hi.
Is the board in here? Oh,
yes.
shit. Alright, I'm gonna try out this fish. Looks pretty fun. Let me give it a shot. Straight out. Over here? Yeah. Woo.
I'm begging. Begging.
took out the bug, went up for a little boogie-board, and got some little pits. You pulled up the outside rail, got a little slotted. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and thank my plant for coming out with new leaves. New leaf. Ooh.